is available to come to the door right now. Please come back later.
Hi, welcome to the new video under Home Improvement channel. Today we are going to review a smart home doorbell camera. So I was looking for a home doorbell camera and researched a lot of it. I didn't like some of the subscription models. I used some of the not so famous one, and there is a Wise home doorbell camera that I have ordered, which is going to come next month. But before that I was contacted by Amcrest. So I got this Amcrest smart home Wi-Fi video doorbell. So some of the main feature, it supports a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi enabled, and it has a full 1080p HD, so it's a HD with 1080p. It's a two-way talk, has motion alerts, and one of the main feature is it's a wide power source, so you have to have a wide doorbell system to use it, and it is not a standalone battery operated one. One of the main feature that I liked is it supports up to SD card of 128 GB. So I'm going to open this box today, use it over several days, and then review with some pros and cons. So here we have some panels. There we go. This looks like the doorbell camera, the black one. This looks like some of the tools that's going to be used while running the doorbell. This looks like a cover. I think it has a dual cover where I can use both black or the silver one. And these are a few more wires and connection that's going to be used. And this looks like a chime kit. So okay, so let's set it up. So I want to show you the app that I have been tinkering for past few days. Now this is the landing page of the app, and if I select my device here, it shows the live view, and there are few options here. You can see there is talk. I can talk into the phone so that the other person can hear. I can even listen to him. I can make it full screen. I can even take a snapshot of this and it gets stored. I can record it. I can do multiple viewing if some other devices is connected. Now let's go to the setup, and the first thing is motion detection, and you can see you can schedule it. The motion detection, you can schedule the range where you want to detect. It can detect until a max of 10 meters. I have put it at 2, but I'm not finding this useful because it's able to detect some of the cars going on the road, which is around 6 to 8 meters. So what I did, I put the motion detection zones on work, and you can see all the blue region here only detects, and I have excluded the road so it won't detect the cars. If we go back, there is night vision, which is auto by default. There is call notification. There is storage status, and it has two kind of storage, one cloud storage and one SD card or USB storage. Now cloud storage, you have to pay, you have to subscribe. But the good thing here is it gives you 1 year of cloud storage free, where it stores your data for 3 days, and it has a cooldown time of 7 minutes, where which means that once it detects something, until 7 more minutes it will not detect another event. And this only records a 12-second video. It has other plans that you can take, which is more expensive, but by default this plan is $1.99 a month. Apart from that, we have some standard options. we have now this doorbell tone and volumes, then some notification, few other things. Now if I go back and see some cloud recordings, there are also this micro SD card video detection recordings if you choose to have a memory card inside your devices. The good thing is that this doesn't have any limit on the day it gets stored or the limit on the video, and it doesn't have any cooldown period. The only issue is if your device gets stolen and gets out of network range, then you cannot access these videos. Apart from that, it has some smart setting. I guess you can create group and all those, and these are the events for the front door that's being stored here. If you go back, there is something regarding the account, and in this page you can communicate your device with Amazon Alexa. Let's go back to devices. One more good thing is which comes with every other, but you can share the device with your family. So now I have not shared with my family, but you can do that. Hi, I'm here testing the camera quality and some of the features that I could. So you can see that this is morning and there is daylight behind me, so my face is a little bit blurred until I go near the camera. When I call and I get this, so I can either accept it or I can send a message saying leave the package and go
Hi
back.
there. Please leave the package by the door.
Or okay. This is, I can hear from here what's happening even if without accepting the call. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, great. I can hear you too. So this is how it looks at night, and this is with light on, and I have always put the night mode on or at auto. So let's see if the light is off, how it detects. So there is a street light, but let's say if I block it out, let's say how it detects. Yes, so now the night mode is on, and I think it can see the face. So summarizing my 2 weeks of experience with Amcrest Smart Home Wi-Fi Video Doorbell with the pros and cons that it has. So the first thing, the pros, I really like the storage capacity of supporting a micro SD up to 128 GB, which is a lot of storage, and it comes with its own tools, which is good. One of the cons that I didn't like is it comes without wedge, unlike the Wise Video Doorbell, which costs just around $30, and it comes with its own wedge. So why do I need wedge? So as you can see, this is how the view from my camera is, and half of the view is blocked by this wall here towards the right side. Now I need a wedge where I can angle my camera, my video doorbell camera, like this, so I get most of the usable view and I don't only see the wall where I don't expect much activity to happen. So when I checked online, Amcrest doorbell has its own adjustable wedge, but it comes separately and it costs around $20. So this doesn't come with this box that I have right now. So another cool thing that I liked with this is it has pretty fast and advanced detection. So you can see this is one of the recorded detection where it records even before it records the movement of the car. So it pre-records the video, and I think that's one advantage of a wide video doorbell. And as we saw earlier, the sound quality is good, but one of the issues that I have is the video quality in the day where there is some background light. Now it's a very common feature with all the cameras, I guess. Now regarding the setup, installing the chime kit and the Amcrest app was no brainer. It was really easy. But however, the issue was what I term it as product ergonomics. Now you see this is the installation manual, and pulling this faceplate, it was not as easy as it is shown here. I had to use some screws, some screwdriver to pull this out and get it out, and also having a small screw here to secure the doorbell with its back plate here was not easy to, and when you have to get down and sit down and install it, and especially for my wall where I can show you the photo. So you see here I have this wedge under my wall, and the screwdriver that was given with their kit was not able to align this, and so the way I could do is getting the screw head and aligning this, and it was a task for me. I will start with the issue that I had. So you can see it's detecting the car on the road, which is a good 6 to 8 meters away. However, my motion detection range was around 2 out of 6, where 6 means 10 meters. So I was not expecting that. Now I defined these blue areas where this is where it detects the motion, but it doesn't detect it on the road. So the motion range didn't work as much, but the motion detection zones are effective. The next good feature that it has is it has its premium cloud storage, and with the device it gives a 1 year of cloud storage free. But the bad thing is it has its own constraint of 3 days of recording storage and 7 minutes of cooldown, and I really don't like subscribing because it adds to your cost even if it is cheap, but it's good that it comes with the SD card option.
So my conclusion, though it still has few issues to work with and not at the lowest price range, at around $84, Amcrest Smart Wi-Fi video doorbell camera still has all the requisite features to be a formidable competitor at this price range. Thanks for watching the video.